Hey guys, welcome to the Enterprise Data Hackathon 2014. My name is Scott and I'm the Community Manager here at Semantria, a text analytics and sentiment analysis API that you can use at this hackathon. So text analytics is a way to structure unstructured text. If you have a data set of 100,000 tweets, survey results, emails, or any other text-rich data, and you want to know what kind of themes, keywords, sentiment, and other things occur in this data set, text analytics is your best friend. So sentiment analysis is probably the most common feature of text analytics. It will let you know whether the text is positive, negative, or neutral. Now this applies to not only the document as a whole, but it also extracts the sentiment-bearing phrases from every document in the dataset. It will start to make a little bit more sense after I show you guys a few use cases. Travelodge is one of our clients, and they analyze all of their customer feedback to see what they can do to improve. They can analyze large data sets of comments and reviews, filter that dataset for sentiment so they only read the negative comments and reviews, then see if there are any recurring keywords that run throughout the dataset. For example, if most of the negative reviews are about customer service, then a manager can look into the problem further. Are all of the negative reviews about customer service coming from one particular hotel, maybe one city, or maybe there is other insight to be found in the dataset? Another fun example comes from Microsoft. Windows can either mean something that is made of a piece of glass or the Microsoft operating system. So they use text analytics to filter through all the social media comments about glass windows. The same goes for Excel, a Microsoft program, a brand of chewing gum, and a verb that means to do exceptionally well at something. All meanings share the same word, but all meanings are different. Last example is Detroit Crime Commission using text analytics to catch criminals. If social media data came from a particular neighborhood in Baltimore, there would be a notification telling the police to read the tweet and see if they should take action on the matter. A cool example of a previous hackathon winner, they built a Chrome plugin that analyzed every article from the news outlet The Guardian. It would let us know if the authors were biased when writing about a certain topic. For example, maybe one of the journalists always favors the iPhone, but always hates the Galaxy. This plugin would let you know if there is a bias using Semantria and Chrome. Another winner was a team that built a WordPress plugin that analyzed all of the content from a website and automatically applied tags to each post. This was a fantastic concept, but the final version was too buggy to use, so feel free to steal this idea. To use Semantria, ask Peter for an email and password which will let you analyze 1 million tweets, 1 million news articles, or 1 million other documents that contain text. Please reach out if you need more than 1 million credits or other support. We have live chat on our website, or you can reach out to support@semantria.com. With the final minute, I'm going to show you what a Semantria output looks like in Excel. We've got two ways to analyze text. Discovery mode, which analyzes the dataset as a whole and looks for recurring themes, keywords, and sentiment throughout the entire dataset, and detailed mode, which analyzes each document individually. Here's an example of discovery mode. You've got the facets, which are common keywords throughout the dataset, a quick sentiment analysis of these facets tallied as positive, negative, or neutral, and common attributes, which are basically adjectives that apply to a facet. It will also show you common themes, entities, categories, and queries that run throughout the dataset. Now here's an example of a detailed analysis. You've got the original document over here on the left, the document sentiment, aka the sentiment of the entire document, and phrases, which are the sentiment-bearing words in each document. You also have entities, which are basically proper nouns, and themes, which are noun-phrase combinations and are the main point of the text. Finally, you have Wikipedia categories, user categories, and queries, which are the 3 categorizers in Semantria. Now, I don't want to take up any more time for those of you who are not interested in using Semantria for this hackathon, so I invite all of you that are interested to check out our Semantria YouTube channel, which has video tutorials that explain every feature in detail using examples. Thanks everyone, and good luck at this hackathon.